G'day guys, how you going? Hope everything's going well. Just thought I'd do another quick unboxing video. Now, this one's all the way from Italy, so you can see there's a million stamps all over the thing, but you can see from the size of the box it's obviously not as tight as from Megatour, which I'd love, but it's still something pretty cool. So let's open it up and I'll show you what I got. Alright, time to open it up. Alright, box is open. Let's see what we got. Alright, so I actually bought a whole box of vintage stamps. So, Stav King Zarkon from Voltron. He had a couple of other Voltron stamps up for grabs, but I already had them, so didn't realise that was unpunched as well, which is always nice. So here's the only Voltron one I've got, and the rest are from my favourite line, Masters of the Universe. So I'll actually do a review on all the stamps. I've got two different sets. I haven't got the complete set of these, but getting pretty close. So first one we got to Man at Arms. Buzz Off. Skeletor, awesome. I've got the Battle Armor version, which is obviously not the Italian version, but yeah, didn't have one of the originals. Web Store, bit dusty, have to dust him off. You got to expect that though. The toy's this old. Starting to right. Fisto, he looks pretty rad. Nice details. Probably my favourite looking one so far. Whiplash. Pretty cool tail curves around there. Let's move the box over a little bit. Jitsu. Next, Cobra Khan. Yeah, I like the look of him. I've started learning Italian so I can read what it actually says on it. A few more to go. Oh, he looks great, Mechanic. Yeah, he'd be my favourite looking one so far. Love if his weapon was yellow, that'd be awesome, but yeah, it still looks great. One more and then a last special one at the end. Always my favourite character from the whole Masters line. Trapjaw. Don't love the look of him there. Wish I had done a bit more with the mouth. Maybe an angrier looking face. Looks pretty laid back there, Trapjaw. But I gotta have him being my favourite character. And then, last but not least, is one of the big boys. So the Inventor. Skeletor there, obviously. Bit of a funny looking head. I reckon it looks a bit like a green ET there, but obviously put those down the bottom there, I think. Open up. Got no idea what that white clip does. And unfortunately, I'm guessing, yep, the instructions are, I'm thinking it's Italian. I think it's Italian. So maybe the old Google Translator will come in handy there. But yeah, I haven't seen one of those before, so when I had the opportunity to grab it along with all these, it's always good to get in a bulk buy, particularly with the shipping from overseas, somewhere like Italy. Sometimes pay more for the shipping than you do for the actual figures that you get. Alright, so there you go, that's the latest score there. Absolutely wrapped to add these to the collection. As I said, you don't see them every day, so I'll keep on trying to pop up a few of the unboxing videos when there's some, you know, unusual items like these. As I said, I'll do another review on all the stamps I've got. There's some of the other ones down there, obviously from a different series, and got a few around the place there. The stamps I was talking about that the guy offered me as singles, but I thought, given the fact I've already got the set there, that I'll spend the money on something else. So I hope you liked the video. Take care, guys, and I'll catch you soon.